When the ignition switch is in the on position, you can adjust the outside mirrors with these switches located on the armrest. Use these switches to select which mirror you wish to adjust. Then use this switch to move the mirror to the desired position. To fold the outside mirrors, push this switch. With the reverse tilt-down feature, the surface of your outside mirrors will tilt downward to provide better rear visibility close to the vehicle while backing up. To use this feature, place the ignition switch in the on position. Then, move the shift lever to reverse. Select either mirror using this switch. The mirror surfaces return to its original position when the shift lever is moved to any position other than reverse, or the mirror switch is returned to the neutral position, or the ignition switch is placed in the off position. When neither mirror is selected, the reverse tilt-down feature will be disabled. The outside mirrors and rear window glass can be heated to defrost, defog, or de-ice for improved visibility. Once the engine is started, push the rear window defroster switch. The indicator light on the button illuminates. The rear window defroster automatically turns off after a period of time. The rear window defroster can be turned off manually by pushing the defroster switch a second time. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.